Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 10 and 11. I'm currently using Windows 10, but this should also work for Windows 11. Now, it's important to have Windows Defender turned on and running, but we may have to download third-party apps and disabling it may be needed. So to do that, we have first to do a right-click on the Start or Windows icon, and we are going to open up the settings. Now that settings is opened, we have to click on Update and Security right here. And under this, we have some options at the left side of the screen. Click on Windows Security and click on Virus and Threat Protection. From here, a new window will pop up. And what we're going to click here is at the middle part of the screen, click on Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection settings. From here, what we're going to do is turn off real-time protection. So click on this toggle button right here to have it turned off. Click on Yes, and we have to turn off Cloud Delivered Protection as well. Click on the toggle button and have that turned off as well. Now that is one way to temporarily disable Windows Defender. The next way to do it or to disable it permanently is to do a right click on the Start icon again and click on Run. This run window will appear, and what we're going to type in is Registry Edit. Once you have done that, click on OK and click on Yes. Now Registry Editor should be opened, and we are going to open up some folders. So I'm just going to close mine, and we have to open up the folder that says HKey Local Machine. So click on this little arrow beside it. From here, we are going to open up Software. It is now open in mine. Just click the little arrow to open these options up. And from here, scroll through, and we are going to find the Policies folder. And here it is. Open the Policies folder and click on the Microsoft folder and open this folder again. And under this, you should have a Windows Defender. What we're going to do is to right click on this folder, click on New, and click on the word 32-bit value. Again, this is under the Windows Defender folder, and we are going to rename this file exactly the way as I type it. Disable anti-spyware. You should copy it exactly the way I typed it, no spaces, and with the same uppercase letters and lowercase letters. Once you have done that, click Enter, and we double click on this file, and we set the value data to 1. Click on OK, and now Windows Defender should now be off permanently after you restart the computer. If you want to enable it again, just delete this file right here and restart your computer again. And that is how you can basically turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 10 and 11. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.